Okay. Me and my friends are going to belch with this. Using, whoops, this. Here. Me first. Don't watch me! Okay, go. Go.
Jaden.
Go, Simon. Don't take it off. God. Oh, don't leave it there.
Yeah, give it to me.
Oh, fuck.
He can't do it.
Yeah,
Burp
so
of my life.
now it's
Simon can't burp. My turn again. Okay. Wait, here. You're still going.
my turn.
Go. Simon, did you belch? See, he's belching.
First belch.
Okay.
Wait.
Oh my god. Okay, my turn.
I can't stop laughing.
I want chow mein. I want chow mein.
Shut up, Simon.
Chow
Belch.
mein.
Simon, belch.
Holy shit.
Give it.
He's like, what?
The other one got tipped over.
Yeah.
I can't. The other one got tipped over. Wait. Move that over here.
Hey, Serena, can we
What?
do a fart?
No, don't fart.
Come on.
No.
That's up people. They'll think it's a verb. That's all. hairstylist.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, that's right, girls can't beat me, even with Coke. Shut up.
Oh my!
That was funny.
Okay, let's go.
Oh god. I'm gonna piss myself laughing soon. Okay guys, we got like 4 more minutes and I have to stop the video and put it on YouTube.